Alright, this video is to show you how to backup and restore your iPhone to and from an external hard drive. A lot of us are using iPhones that have capacities of 125, 256, even 500 gigabytes. And iPhones are getting larger and larger in storage. And sometimes it's not really easy to save them on the computer, especially laptops with smaller hard drives. So what you would do is open up iTunes and plug in your iPhone. Then click on your iPhone and click on backup now. Once the backup process is completed, iTunes will create a backup folder for you with all the information that was on your iPhone. Now you would go to that folder, which is located in the C drive, users, click on your username, and Apple, MobileSync, backup, and this would be your backup folder. If you find several folders under backup, then the latest modified folder is your latest backup. So what I normally do is copy this folder and take it into my external hard drive and save it on there. Notice that this path or this backup file will vary from a system to another. So if you're using a Mac, you would find it under this path, which I will show. So if you're using a Mac computer, your backup file will be under this path. So your library, application support, MobileSync, backup. Now, if you installed iTunes from a Windows store, the way you do install other applications, sometimes you go to a Windows store and just click on it and it gets installed. Your backup file would be in the same folder that I showed you before. But if you install it from an executable file, your backup folder would be under this path. It would be under users and username, AppData, roaming, Apple computer, MobileSync, then backup. So when it's time to restore your phone, let's say you've reset your phone to factory settings and you want to restore your phone, you would go to your external drive, copy this folder back into the backup folder. Once you've copied it, it will show up as an option under iTunes. So you go to restore backup and it will show it to you as an option. Now keep in mind, when restoring an iPhone, iTunes usually creates a duplicate of the backup file before putting it into your phone. I'm not sure what the reason is, but a duplicate folder will be created and then it would be restored into your phone. So your free space should at least be twice as much as the size of your backup folder. So if you have a small hard drive, say 64 or 128, and you have a 256 gigabyte iPhone, odds are you're not going to be able to restore it. So you need a hard drive with a large capacity. So you can find a PC that has, let's say, a terabyte of hard drive and install iTunes on it, and then take that file into the backup and then try to restore it that way. But if you have a hard drive that doesn't have enough storage, that is at least twice of the size of that backup folder, this will not happen. So I hope this was helpful. I was struggling for quite a while after I reset my iPhone, and I found this the hard way. Okay, thank you for watching.